Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying Google below. We're bringing you amazing tech content every week. Now, let's talk about something fascinating. Every single second, thousands of individuals around the globe search for various things on Google. Some are seeking help with homework. Others want to catch up on the latest news. Many are eager to learn a new skill, watch a video, or discover a website. Have you ever considered how Google manages to sift through billions of web pages to find exactly what you need in under a second? How does it know which sites to prioritize? And what enables it to deliver results so quickly? Today, we're exploring the technology powering one of the most incredible tools ever created. This is how Google Search truly operates. The internet is vast and expansive. There are billions of websites and hundreds of billions of web pages accessible online. If Google had to scan the entire internet each time you entered a search, results would take forever. Instead, Google prepares ahead of time. It continuously navigates the web using automated programs known as web crawlers. These crawlers journey from site to site, reading pages and following links to seek out new content. Consider them as millions of tiny robots exploring the internet around the clock. Whenever new content is posted, updated, or altered on a website, these crawlers eventually discover it. As they navigate, they gather information about each page and relay it back to Google. After amassing this data, Google saves it in something called the index. The index functions as a colossal database filled with information about web pages across the internet. Think of it as the world's largest digital library. Instead of housing books, it stores data about websites. This organization allows Google to operate at lightning speed. When you search for something, Google isn't scanning the whole internet in real time. It searches within its index. Because the index is systematically organized, Google can retrieve relevant information almost instantly. Now, let's look at what unfolds when you conduct a search. Imagine typing the phrase, "How do airplanes fly?" As soon as you press enter, Google evaluates your query. It aims to comprehend exactly what you're asking. It analyzes not only the individual words but also the overall meaning. Then, Google searches its index for related pages. In a fraction of a second, it could uncover thousands or even millions of possible results. However, presenting all of these would be pointless. This means Google faces another task. It must determine which results should be displayed first. This is where Google's ranking algorithms play a crucial role. Google evaluates various factors to identify which pages are most beneficial. For instance, does the page provide a clear answer? Is the information credible? Is the content of high quality? Are there references from other websites? Is the page user-friendly? Does it load quickly? Google combines these signals to estimate which pages will be the most helpful. The top matches are placed prominently on the results page. This explains why some sites rank first while others are hard to find. One concept that contributed to Google's rise was a system named PageRank. This concept was straightforward. If numerous websites link to a page, that page is likely important. View links as endorsements. The more reputable websites linking to a page, the more valuable that page seems. Although Google's algorithms have evolved significantly, this principle helped shape how search engines assess websites. An interesting aspect of Google Search is that results can vary for different users. Google considers parameters such as location, language, and search intent. For instance, individuals from different countries might see slightly varied results for the same query. This ensures Google offers information that is more tailored to each user. Now, here comes the most astonishing part. The entire process usually takes less than a second. Reflect on what just occurred. Google interpreted your question. It searched through information from billions of web pages, chosen the most relevant results, ranked them, and presented them on your screen. All in the blink of an eye. To facilitate this, Google relies on massive data centers filled with powerful computers operating continuously. These systems manage unprecedented volumes of information daily. As technology progresses, search engines are becoming increasingly intelligent. Artificial intelligence is aiding search systems in better understanding inquiries and providing more relevant responses. Modern search engines prioritize comprehending meaning and context rather than just matching keywords. The future of search may resemble a conversation more than simply entering keywords into a search bar. So, next time you use Google, keep in mind what's happening behind the scenes. Millions of web crawlers exploring the vast internet. A massive index retaining data from billions of pages. Advanced ranking systems filtering through countless results. And huge data centers processing everything in under a second. All collaborating to address a simple query. This is how Google Search genuinely works. If you found this video interesting, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Also, tell us in the comments what technology you want us to explain next. Thanks for watching.